Alright, so today we're going to be talking about a figure of speech. So, the first growth pattern was given those four. I made the fifth one, and to make my equation, I went back. I also made a figure 0. So, here I figured out the number of tiles or squares in figure 3, 10, and 83, and then any figure, which I rewrote here as 6n plus 1 equals s, where n is the figure number and s is the number of squares in each figure. So see here that the pink bracket represents the 6, which is the change between each figure, the length of the square, and then the slope of the line. And each figure has just that 1 at the top, which is that little y-intercept there and this constant 1 in the equation. And then each figure is also only n high, so you see the third figure is 3 high. Then it's each figure number on the x-axis there. So all these figures, these numbers here are n. And then of course we have rs, which is this column here, any of the values on the y-axis in every single square in every single figure. So when we're determining how many squares are in each figure, that is for 6th grade scale of read, write, and evaluate expressions in which letters stand for those numbers. So we made these expressions and then we stood in the letters for the numbers. So we're able to interpret that 6n plus 1 equals s is 6 times the figure number plus 1 will give me the number of squares in each figure. And then down here, another 6th grade Common Core skill was use variables to represent two quantities in a real-world problem that change in relation to one another, and write an equation to express one quantity in terms of the other and analyze the relationship using graphs and tables and relate them to the equation. So that was the explanations that I gave and how I related each with the colors and the squares. So everything that's like the little red square, like the pink bracket and the orange circle, is that trying to relate each thing together, and these expressions written out are trying to relate back to that skill as well.